Okay, so here's where I'm getting my color right, because I wanted it to look like, okay, a cake, the color of a cake. So I mixed my white and some yellow to get that perfect color, and I'm putting my sprinkles in to give it that pop of color and aesthetics. It makes you want to eat it, although that is not what it's for. So I'm stirring it in to make sure that the sprinkles are evenly distributed in the glass. And that's what I like about the 100 milliliter syringe. You can actually suck it up in there and you don't have to worry about loading it with a spoon or a mixing stick, and the sprinkles will go through with no problem. See that? And this is where I really realized, it hit me that my supply vendor sent me the wrong tubes. The tube is too small for the pipette to get in there, so I can't get all the way to the bottom of this tube. And oh, I was so upset. Like, make sure you check your items. Don't just assume they're sending you the right thing. So it was extra hard for me to get it in there, and I had to bam on the table with the tube, to make sure it gets to the bottom, because I don't like air bubbles. And when you can't get all the way to the bottom, you get air bubbles. And that's what I'm doing here, bamming it so it'll go down. And I had to do that with every last one of those tubes, because this was a wholesale order of 100. I think it was only 100, probably was over 100, but I had to do that with each tube. And this right here is me. I got one of my other tubes with the big hole at the top, so I can actually show you how this was supposed to go. So this is, using the wide mouth tubes that I originally had. And you always leave a space at the top so it won't pop up. The stopper won't pop up when you put the lid on. And this is how it looks when you tube it. And this is Cupcake. I also sell this in wholesale. And as you can see, the tubes are pretty messy. I hate when it gets like this. Ugh. But I'm almost done. And here is how it looks when I wash them and, got them ready to box. And that's the other flavor that she had ordered, with the watermelon on top and the blueberry on bottom. So stay tuned for the next video and check out your girl shop. I know it's something on there that you need. Stop playing.